Hi, greetings all. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and a sales specialist. We are in the video series of 108 sales questions from my fourth book, 108 Sales Question. And today we are in question number 5. Let me read the question for you. Is digital marketing the best way to generate leads? To answer to this question is, my friends, I will not say that digital marketing is the only way to generate lead, but it is a very important way to generate lead in today's world. It's no more a digital marketing, it's actually today is about AI marketing. How are we using AI tools in order to generate lead in the digital world? When I say digital world, you can generate leads through your website, you can generate leads through LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook, X. In multiple ways you can generate leads, and you should also use the AI tools to generate those leads. But at the same time, don't stop generating leads from your traditional sources like attending conferences, seminars, exhibition, generating leads from your existing clients. Use the French framework of lead generation. Watch out my video in YouTube or LinkedIn on the French framework. So the answer is, you should embrace digital/AI marketing tools to generate leads. At the same time, you should also leverage the traditional way of generating leads. But the key important message is you have to generate leads consistently. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on LinkedIn and Insta. See you soon on the next video. Thank you.